Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 49. In the manufacture of glass, some transition metal oxide are used: A. For chemical durability, B. To increase the transparency, C. To make it malleable, D. To make them luster, and E. To add color. Now, during the manufacture of glass using silicon 4 oxide, now transition metal oxides are actually added in order to give this glass color, to give color to the glass. Now this is possible because each transition element or transition metal has their characteristics color. They have their characteristic color. Like we know, these transition metals, they have they have color. Now addition of a characteristic transition metal to a glass will give it its own characteristic color, and this is how colored glasses are being produced. So colored glasses are produced by addition of appropriate transition metal oxides to the silicon 4 oxide when producing this glass. Now option A is for chemical durability. This is achieved when powdered glass and coke are being added. When powdered glass plus coke are added. B says to increase its transparency. No. C says to make it malleable. Like we know, glasses are not malleable. They cannot be beaten into sheet because they are brittle. And this says to make them luster, that is to shine. No, that is not it. So the answer is option E, to add color to the glass, to give them their appropriate color. That is the reason why transition metal oxide are added. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.